Before we dive into the picks, I want to be transparent. These aren't just random stock suggestions. I'm personally invested in the companies I'm about to share, and I'm actively watching them with the intention of increasing my positions in the coming months. If you're serious about building long-term wealth, you're in the right place. I'll be sharing more of my top watch list stocks every month, so stick around. This could be just the beginning of your investing journey. The $1,000 stock challenge. Where would I invest in June 2025? All right, so you've got a spare $1,000, not a million, not 10,000, but a solid grand. The big question is, where do you even about putting it in June 2025 to see some serious potential? Is it even possible to make meaningful moves with that amount? You bet it is if you're smart about it. We're not talking about meme stocks or get-rich-quick schemes here. We're talking about laying solid foundations, even with a smaller starting sum. Today, I'm going to break down exactly where I'd be looking to invest $1,000 in June, focusing on companies with real, tangible growth prospects and strong market positions. This isn't just about picking random tickers off a list, it's about understanding the why behind each choice. We're diving deep into 5 specific companies that I believe offer compelling opportunities for that $1,000 investment. We'll look at their current standing, their future potential, and why they might just be the perfect fit for your portfolio as we head into the middle of 2025. It's all about making informed decisions, and that's exactly what we're going to equip you with today. So get ready to take some notes, because this could be the starting point for something big. And hey, before we jump into the good stuff, do me a quick favor. Hit the like button, share the video, and leave your thoughts in the comments. Seriously, every single like helps out the channel more than you know. And I read pretty much all the comments. And of course, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the next important update. We've got a lot of value packed into this one, so let's get right into it. Apple Inc., AAP. Still the core of a tech portfolio? All right, first up on the list, and it's probably no surprise to many of you, is Apple. When you're looking for a solid, reliable company with a track record of innovation, Apple stands incredibly tall. They've consistently proven their ability to dominate markets. Think about their product line: iPhones, Macs, iPads, Apple Watch, AirPods. Each product is a gateway into their sticky services ecosystem. This recurring revenue provides financial stability. Apple isn't a company that rests on its laurels. They are constantly pushing boundaries. People don't just buy Apple products, they buy into the Apple experience. From a financial perspective, Apple is a behemoth. So for me, Apple remains a top contender for a slice of that $1,000 in June 2025. Microsoft Corp. It's our MSFT, the Cloud King and AI Powerhouse. Our second pick for a $1,000 investment in June 2025, Microsoft. Microsoft is a titan of enterprise software, cloud computing, and AI. Reinvented multiple times, it's stronger and more diversified than ever. Satya Nadella's leadership has been transformative. Azure is a growth engine, challenging AWS. By 2025, Azure will capture significant cloud market growth. Businesses are migrating to the cloud, and Microsoft provides the tools. Massive push into AI, integrating it across their product suite. AI in Windows, Office 365, Bing, and Azure services. Early investor in OpenAI, creators of ChatGPT. AI is a fundamental shift in software delivery. Beyond cloud and AI, Microsoft has traditional cash cows. Windows and Office remain dominant in PC and productivity software. Transition to subscription models, ensuring recurring revenue. This stability supports higher growth ventures. Let's not forget gaming. Xbox is a huge player in the console market. Game Pass is often called the Netflix of gaming. With Activision Blizzard, Microsoft's gaming division is a powerhouse. Significant growth lever for them. Investing $1,000 in Microsoft offers multiple growth avenues. They're not reliant on a single product or service. Enterprise software, cloud computing, AI, gaming, LinkedIn, and Surface devices. The next company is Amazon. Next up, let's talk about a company that has fundamentally changed how we shop, consume media, and even how businesses operate: Amazon. When you're considering where to put $1,000 in June 2025, Amazon still presents a fascinating case, largely because it's so much more than just an e-commerce giant. It's a multifaceted tech behemoth with incredible reach and ongoing expansion plans. Obviously, e-commerce is the foundation. Amazon's dominance in online retail is undeniable. Their logistics network, Prime subscription service, and vast marketplace give them an unparalleled advantage. Even as competition in e-commerce grows, Amazon's scale and efficiency are incredibly hard to replicate. By June 2025, Expect them to have further optimized their delivery speeds and expanded their product selection even more. But the real powerhouse, and often the main driver of Amazon's profitability, is Amazon Web Services, or AWS. AWS is the undisputed leader in cloud infrastructure. While Microsoft Azure is a strong competitor, AWS had the first-mover advantage and continues to innovate at a rapid pace, offering a vast array of services that power everything from small startups to massive global enterprises. This segment is a cash-printing machine for Amazon. Then there's Amazon's advertising business. This is often an overlooked segment, but it's growing incredibly fast. Companies are paying top dollar to advertise their products on Amazon's platform right at the point of sale. This high-margin revenue stream is becoming a significant contributor to Amazon's bottom line and has a long runway for growth as more ad dollars shift online. Amazon is also not afraid to experiment and invest in new frontiers. Think about their investments in areas like healthcare with Amazon Pharmacy, satellite internet with Project Kuiper to compete with Starlink, and robotics in their warehouses and potentially beyond. While some of these ventures are long-term bets and may not all succeed, Amazon's willingness to innovate and disrupt new industries is a key part of its DNA. Let's consider Prime. Amazon Prime is more than just free shipping. It's a whole ecosystem that includes Prime Video, Amazon Music, Prime Reading, and more. The next stock pick is Alphabet Inc., the parent company of Google. All right, let's dive into our fourth pick for that $1,000 investment in June 2025, Alphabet. When you think about information access, digital advertising, and cutting-edge technology, Alphabet is almost always at the center of the conversation. This is a company that literally organizes the world's information and is now heavily invested in shaping the future with artificial intelligence. The cornerstone of Alphabet's empire is, of course, Google search. It's so dominant that to Google has become a verb. This search dominance fuels an incredibly powerful and profitable advertising business. Companies worldwide rely on Google ads to reach customers, and this generates a massive and consistent revenue stream for Alphabet. Even with new AI search paradigms emerging, Google's vast infrastructure and user base give it a formidable position. Beyond search, YouTube is another jewel in Alphabet's crown. It's the world's largest video platform, a cultural phenomenon, and a significant revenue generator through advertising and subscriptions like YouTube Premium and YouTube TV. The engagement on YouTube is massive, and its monetization potential continues to grow, especially with Shorts competing effectively in the short-form video space. Then there's Google Cloud Platform, or GCP. While it's currently third in the cloud market behind AWS and Azure, GCP is growing rapidly and carving out a strong niche, particularly in areas like data analytics and machine learning. Alphabet is investing heavily in GCP to catch up, and its expertise in AI gives it a unique selling proposition for enterprise clients looking to leverage advanced AI models. Alphabet's Other Bets segment is where much of its futuristic innovation happens. This includes companies like Waymo for autonomous driving, Verily in life sciences, and Wing for drone delivery. While these are long-term projects and some are still burning cash, they represent Alphabet's commitment to investing in breakthrough technologies that could become massive businesses in the future. By June 2025, some of these bets might be showing even clearer paths to commercialization. The integration of artificial intelligence is central to Alphabet's strategy. Next big stock is Tesla Inc. All right, for our fifth and final pick for that $1,000 investment in June 2025, we're looking at a company that has undeniably disrupted one of the world's largest industries, Tesla. Love them or be skeptical of them, there's no denying Tesla's impact on the automotive sector and its ambitious plans for the future of energy and AI. Investing in Tesla is certainly not for the faint of heart, but the potential upside can be substantial. Tesla's core business is, of course, electric vehicles. They almost single-handedly mainstreamed EVs and continue to be a leader in terms of technology, battery performance, and charging infrastructure with their supercharger network. By June 2025, their production capacity will likely have expanded further with gigafactories around the world, and we might see new models or significant updates to existing ones, like the anticipated cheaper next-generation vehicle. Beyond just selling cars, Tesla is positioning itself as an energy company. Tesla Energy, which includes solar panels with solar roof and battery storage solutions like Powerwall for homes and Megapack for utility-scale projects, is a rapidly growing segment. As the world transitions towards renewable energy, the demand for energy storage solutions is set to explode, and Tesla is a key player in this market. This diversification is crucial. Then there's the autonomous driving aspect. Tesla's full self-driving, or FSD, software is one of its most ambitious and controversial projects. While true level 5 autonomy is still a work in progress and faces regulatory hurdles, the data Tesla collects from its fleet of vehicles is a massive advantage. If they can crack the code on FSD and deploy a robotaxi network, the potential valuation implications are astronomical. This is a high-risk, high-reward bet. Tesla is also increasingly framing itself as an AI and robotics company. The development of the Optimus humanoid robot is a prime example. So there you have it. 5 companies I'm personally invested in and actively watching as we head into June 2025. Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Alphabet, and Tesla. Each one brings something unique to the table, and I am seriously considering increasing my positions in the coming months based on how things unfold. The key, as always, is to do your own research and align your investments with your personal financial goals and risk tolerance. That $1,000 invested wisely in companies with strong fundamentals and long-term potential can be a fantastic stepping stone. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Whether you pick one of these or find another opportunity, the principles of consistent investing and focusing on quality businesses tend to win out over time. The goal here was to give you some solid ideas and a framework for thinking about where the smart money might be heading. Don't just take my word for it. Dig into these companies yourself, understand their businesses, and make informed decisions. If you found value in this breakdown, please make sure to smash that like button. It really helps the channel grow and reach more people. Let's see if we can hit that 5-like target. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Which of these stocks are you most bullish on for June 2025? Or is there another company you think deserves a spot on this list with a $1,000 investment? And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content like this. I'll be sharing more of the stocks I'm watching and investing in as we move through the year. What's the one stock you'd absolutely pick for your $1,000 in June 2025? And why? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.